Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study in college engineering. To start, actively engage during lectures and labs. Don't just listen, participate. Ask questions right away if something is unclear. Then, make it a habit to review your notes within 24 hours. This quick review significantly boosts retention, helping you solidify new information before it fades. Next, mastering problem solving is crucial. Don't just read solutions, work through example problems step by step yourself. Practice consistently with a variety of problem sets to build your skills. Focus on understanding the core principles behind each solution rather than simply memorizing the steps. This approach prepares you for new challenges. Don't hesitate to leverage all available resources. Forming study groups with peers can provide new perspectives and help clarify difficult topics. Make sure to attend professor office hours for personalized guidance and to ask specific questions. Also, explore online tutorials and your college's academic support centers. They offer valuable assistance. Finally, consistency and balance are key to long-term success. Establish a consistent study schedule each week and stick to it. Remember to take short breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to refresh your mind. Prioritize getting enough sleep and maintaining healthy habits. These are essential for optimal mental performance in your engineering studies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.